Just about every kitchen has a storage rack or a cabinet full of spices. Today we're going to organize that area and make it functional for you while cooking. Create an area in your kitchen to hold the spices. This can be near your food prep or cooking area. Just make sure that it's functional for you. Clean. First, I want you to do is take all the spices out of your area, your spice area, and check for expiration dates. The taste of the spice is not going to be as fresh as it was after it's past the expiration date. Get rid of them. Throw them away. Sort. Put all of your light items together, your tall spices, your medium spices, your small spices, your oils, your mixes. Group all of your like items together on your counter. Once you get everything together, it's time to organize. Place your spices one category at a time into your spice area. This could be by your stove, it could be a rack, it could be a cabinet, whatever you're using as your spice area. Start with one category at a time. Your tall spices, your oils, your mixes. Maybe your spice area does not have room for your oils or mixes. Make sure that you get a small basket or put these items near your food prep area for easy reach. And that's it. Join me tomorrow as we organize and clean our kitchen even more. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with all your friends on social media, and subscribe to my channel.